Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add keyframe in Canva. I've already made this small project here by adding the elements. Now I'm going to show you how to move this eye by adding a keyframe between each frames. First of all, at the bottom of your screen you can see a page 1. Right click on it and click on duplicate page option. After that, in the second page, select the eye element and change its direction. I am doing the same for another eye also. After that, repeat the same process for duplicating. Now select the third page and move the eye to the next direction. After that, again right click on the third page and click on duplicate page. After selecting your fourth page, change the location of the eye. Now, in between the two slides, hover your mouse and click on this option which says Add Transition. After that, select Match and Move option here. Now you can also change the duration from this slider. After that, do this for every slides. Now change the duration of the image by selecting each frame and clicking on this clock emoji, and you can slide to change the duration here. I am keeping 1 second for each frames. Now you can see that you have made a beautiful animation by adding a keyframes between each frames. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.